Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. In the previous video you have seen about functions and how to define it, how to call it. So a function can be defined once and can be called multiple times as I told you in yesterday's video. So we have defined the math fun function, we have defined hello function or add function, and we have tried to call it, and I have shown you the examples of it. And now today we'll be learning about global and local variables. So what is a global variable? The variables which are declared inside the Python file and outside of a function or class are called global variables. So guys, any variable which is declared like this, a is equal to 1995 or a is equal to 100, b is equal to hello, b is equal to hello, c is equal to 10, 20, 30. So these are all our global variables, guys. We can use these global variables in any other Python file as well. So for example, I have written all these variables in demo5 example. Now let me show you by using these variables in other Python file. New Python file, demo6, from demo5 import star. So from this particular program, I am importing everything in this so that I can print it here. Print A, print B, print C. By the way, I'm showing you guys, I'm not running demo5, I'm running demo6 function here. Run demo6. You can see 100, hello, and 10, 20, 30 as I've declared here. So the variables which are declared outside the function, not within the function. For example, this is a function, def add colon x is equal to 100, x is equal to 100, y is equal to 200, print x, print y, print x plus y. So this is a add function, guys, where I have taken x as 100 and y as 200 and printing the value of x and printing the value of y, then printing the total addition of both a and b. So here, as we have already seen, a, b, c. Let me separate it with a dash here so that it won't confuse you. Yeah, let me run it again. Yeah. So for this is the program which we have already seen. So I have defined the function after that. Def add. I have taken the value of x as 100, y as 200, printed x, and save. Printed y, then printed the value of addition of x and x plus y. So you can see, guys, everything is being printed here. But so within the function, these are x and y. But when I try to print it outside the function, will it run? Print x. I'm using the same functions, guys. Instead of defining the value of x and y again, I'm just using the print statements to show you. So here, what we got is name x is not defined. So since this is not a global variable, it is not able to print x. It is showing us the error, name x is not defined. Whereas when I try to define with the help of global keyword, global x. So you can see, guys, since I'm using the uh, x outside the function, and I'm trying to print it outside the function, I'm declaring it with a global variable so that I can use it anywhere. So let me run and show you once. So now it is able to print xc 100. Let me remove this and show it to you in a proper way. So when I'm calling the add function, it is printing 100, 200, 300 as per our print statements x, y, x plus y. So after the add function, I have also printed x because I have declared it as global here. I am trying to print it here, so it is able to print. But when I'm trying to print y here, it will not be able to print. See, print y. It will give us an error. It is showing an error. Name y is not defined. This is because it is a local variable which is declared only whose scope is only within the function. So let me tell you about local variables once. The local variables are the variables which are declared inside the function body, which are called as local variables. The scope of local variables is from declaration to function ending. So if without declaring, when I try to print y here, it will show as an error. See, y is being declared here, but I'm trying to print it in the starting. So it is showing us an error here. I'll remove this y statement here, and I'll try to run it and show it to you. See, line 14. Line 14, it is showing us line 14 because I'm calling the function here, and when I'm calling the function, it is checking for all the statements. And when it is checking, it is showing us an error that in line 7, in add, that is in add in line 7, unbound local error, local variable y reference before assignment. That is, I'm trying to print y before assigning the value to it. That is what it is saying here. Okay. So the local variables will get memory after function call. So as you have seen, guys, it is not giving an error when it is executing. This function is running, but it is not showing an error at that time. When I'm trying to call the function, it is showing an error. So that is the reason the local variables will get memory after function call. This means that whenever I'm calling the function, then only these local variables will get memory. Otherwise, these local variables are idle, just idle. They won't get any memory, or they cannot be used anything. So in the similar way, since I declare global x as global variable here, I'll create a new Python file called as demo7 and show you by printing this x in that file. Demo7. So from demo6 import tar, print x. So it is showing an error because still we did not remove this particular line. Once I remove this particular line, it will print it. So you can see, guys, it is printing 100, 200, 300, 100, 100. Why it is printing 100, 100 twice? Because we are printing 100 again here, we are printing 100 here, and again 100 here in this particular file. So just to explain you in a proper way, I'll again draw a line here so that it will not confuse you people. So I have drawn a line here, and I am again executing the demo7 file. So till here we are printing the values from demo5 in demo6. That is, these all three variables are declared here. That is, A, B, C are declared here, and I am trying to print it in demo6 example. After that, I have drawn a line. Then I have defined a function called as add. I am calling the function. the function, when I'm calling the function, it is printing x, y, x plus y, and then x because we have printed x here, then the line. Then in demo 7, I am printing x here. I'm printing x here, so it is printing x, as you can see here. So in the similar way, since I'm importing everything from demo 6, I can also print A, B, and C. You can see. Otherwise, I'll print C and show you, because all the value variables I've given same. So when I'm printing C, first going to demo 6, then checking if C is available here. Since C is not available, it is going to demo 5 since we have imported, and it is checking for C here. Since C is available here, it is fetching from here and printing it here. So guys, hope you understood about global and local variables. So let me explain you again. Global variables are the variables which are declared in any Python file outside the functions and outside the classes, which can be used anywhere within any Python file if we import them. Whereas local variables are variables which are declared only in the function, and the scope of the local variables is only from declaration till function ending. Once the function is ended, the local variables is no more. Okay guys, hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam.